All I could think about was my daughter, my family, and my life flashed before my eyes. I thought I was gonna die.
In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a lawsuit settlement due to an officer violating a man's civil right in Tempe, Arizona. The city of Tempe, Arizona reached an agreement with a black man who worked at a hotel who was held at gunpoint by a Tempe, Arizona police officer. As a result of the settlement, the city has agreed to compensate the man in the amount of $300,000. According to the news release from the city, Ronald Kurzaya, the officer who was involved in the incident that occurred on August 29, 2020, has been suspended. Now, let's jump right into this video and see with our own eyes what actually took place in Tempe, Arizona.
Hey, sir, how we doing?
We gotta let me hold on to the issue. Some guy just pulled a gun out on us.
41. I've got a 417 George here. I'm gonna need some additional units. Manager's advising this male subject here just pulled a firearm on him. What room number and what's the description? What info do you have on this individual? Where is he now? What is it? Which room number? White male, black male, what do we got? Is he a white male, a black male? Come on. White male, he's going to be wearing a black shirt, tan pants.
He's gonna be coming down the staircase and exit off that door right there.
10-4. He's probably going to be poking out on the west exit. He's walking out now. Get inside now. Get the out. I'm going to hold on that exit. Responding units, if you're coming up Price, I want you to come in that entrance and hold. Put your hands up! One at gunpoint. Step out!
I work here.
You work here?
I was kicking the door closed, man.
Okay, turn around.
I work here.
That's fine.
Come on, man, you don't gotta
Step
put no
this way.
gun in me. I got
Hey,
my
listen to
hands
me. Listen, okay?
I got my hands
I am responding to somebody with a firearm who matches your description. You understand that? Come here.
Matches the description. What an interesting choice of words. The man the officer is holding at gunpoint is a black man who is wearing the uniform of the hotel since he is a worker there. Let's rewind and listen closely to what the officer's description of the alleged suspect is.
Is he a white male, a black male? Come on. White male. He's going to be wearing a black shirt, tan pants.
He's gonna be coming down the staircase and exit off that door right there.
I got my hands up, man.
Stand
Take
by.
the gun off. For real, I got my hands up.
Where's your ID at? No, you don't get to tell me what to do. Where's your ID at?
Take the gun off me, man.
No.
Where your supervisor at? You gonna shoot me?
No.
Be another person on the news?
Get on your knees.
I didn't do nothing
Shut
to
the
you.
with that on your knees.
I didn't do nothing to you. Remember this. I need your badge number and your name.
You'll get everything you need.
Yeah,
Put everything on the ground.
I didn't do nothing to you. I got my hands up and I work here. Go call the manager.
41, where are my other units at? Just hang tight, okay?
But this ain't. I work here. All you gotta do is call the manager and take the.
Who's your manager? Stop telling me what to do.
Sean Hoover. Take.
Okay, what is your name?
Trey.
41. Can we get somebody to get the complainant on the line and find out if there's an employee here by the name of Trey?
You don't got to hold no gun. My hands are up. I'm not a threat to you.
Are you a cop?
I'm not a threat to you.
Are you a cop?
I'm not a threat to you.
You don't tell me what a threat to me is. You don't know.
Just because you're a cop don't mean you can hold a gun at somebody whenever you get good and damn ready. I put my hands up and I'm not.
When I'm responding to somebody with a firearm, I can do what I need to stay safe and go home to my family. Do you understand that?
My hands are up.
I have somebody on the phone right now with Sean trying to confirm if you're an employee or not. As soon as I verify that, you can go and then you can get whatever information you need. Do you understand that?
Yellow, you would. It's crazy, huh? Hey, can you record this? He steadily got his gun on me and I got my hands up.
I'm recording too.
And I got my hands up. I know I work here, but he steadily got his gun.
That's fine, just stay back.
Hey, record this, man. For real. I got my hands up on the ground, he still got a gun pointed on me. And my knees hurt, man.
41, did we get Sean on the line yet?
Anybody come out?
Did he verify that somebody by the name of Trey works here?
I'm just dressed like this for no reason?
Get out of here, Trey.
Yeah, thank you.
You can stand by in the lobby if you need all my information. I'll be more than happy to give it to you. Have a great afternoon. Hey, if we have Sean on the line, can you give me any more intel on if this guy exited yet or not?
As a result of this incident, Officer Kurzaya, who had been hired in 2017 by the Tempe Police Department, was found to have violated a number of departmental rules. He was placed on 2 weeks of unpaid leave. He was also removed from any position that would bring him into contact with the public for 1 full year. In a press release, Tempe Police Chief Jeff Glover remarked that we must deal with this situation as it is. As a result, we must accept responsibility for what had happened, as well as make the necessary adjustments to ensure that it does not occur ever again.
We just sincerely apologize if this situation had even occurred, because it shouldn't have. He's going to have to prove himself in order to get back out on the street.
Well, YouTube, please jump down in the comments below and let me know if you believe this officer deserves a second chance. And in the words of the police chief, be back out on the streets. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to our channel. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.